Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to create an Apple ID. So here's how we are going to do it. First things first, I want you to go ahead and open Safari, and from this point forward, just go ahead and type here appleid.apple.com. Once you click this one, you should be redirected to this particular site in here where we can go ahead and create our own Apple ID regardless of what we are using, be it an iOS or an Android device. Now go ahead and click this arrow down here and you will be seeing there an option that says create your Apple ID. So we're going to go ahead and click that one. After clicking, you can go ahead and create your own Apple ID from here. So just go ahead and fill in the information in here, and I'm going to do that just now. Alright, after filling in all the information, you're just going to go ahead and scroll down here and you should be seeing something like this. And now go ahead and tap that continue button. After doing so, we're just going to go ahead and click next. Alright, and verify using the code sent through our phone. So we're just going to go ahead and type it in here. Click next once again. Alright, there you go. So as you can see, we are already signed in and here are the details of our Apple ID. So yep, that is how you're going to do it. Congratulations everybody. Now you know how to create an Apple ID.